Hello guys, welcome to Bookers Masterclass, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the ongoing MaskEX campaign and how to earn from all these particular campaigns that are going on right now. So if you are joining us for the first time, the only thing you have to do right now is for you to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this particular channel. In this channel we bring you all the tutorials about trading crypto, and also we bring you a lot of things, the updates on strategies that are existing in the crypto space. So if you are joining for the first time, kindly click on the follow button of this page and follow this particular page. Okay, so these are the purpose of this particular trade campaign is that they are going to equip you for you to be able to earn from them. Okay, if you have not been earning, like if you are a kind of person that you need a platform where you can trade your crypto and also earn some reward from the activities, this particular video is for you. If you are also a kind of person that you have been trying, like you are looking for a reliable and secured platform to start trading your crypto, and they also reward you for trading in their exchange, then this particular video is also for you. Okay, so let's get down to the video. Here we have one campaign that says this particular one is called Deposit and Earn campaign. Now this Deposit and Earn campaign is a campaign designed for you, me and you, the users, and this particular one explains that these exchange are ready to reward us if we deposit any money in the exchange. For example, this particular one, when you put in $50 in your account, you are going to get extra $20. For example, if I deposit $50 in my own MaskEX account right now, registering on this campaign, I'm going to get another extra $20 which I can use to trade. So this is a very good opportunity for all the beginners who are trying to secure funds to trade. This particular campaign is for you. So all you have to do right now is I'm going to leave the link of this particular place in the description of this video. So do well and check out the link. Then once you check out the link, fill up this form, put your name, put your UID, put your email address, put your Twitter handle, put your country, fill everything right here and submit it. Once you've done that, then next thing for you to do is to come here, then read below. You can see that the eligibility of users who can participate in this particular campaign are those that has KYC level 2. So what is KYC? KYC means like knowing your customer. That is a set of verification for the exchange to recognize you as a potential customer. So for you to complete the KYC level 1, you have to use your government issued ID card. Is either your passport, or you can use your national ID card, you can use your driver's license. All these things you can use to verify your account for level 1. Then the level 2 is a verification that requires you to take a picture of yourself and make a short video of yourself so that the customer can know, the platform will know you and recognize you as a potential customer. Once you do that, then you are done with the verification of level 2. So after verifying the level 2, the next thing is you can see how to participate. To participate in this campaign, you just have to deposit $50, 50 USDT in your MaskEX account. When you deposit 50 USDT in your MaskEX account, you have qualified. So after depositing the 50 USDT, you are not meant to withdraw the money after 7 days. Okay, so you're going to keep your 50 USDT in the account. This particular time that your 50 USDT is in your account, you also have another extra opportunity to earn more if you wish to. Though if you don't want to earn, that's for you. But if you want to earn more, then if you wish to earn more, there is also another campaign that you can register to, and that campaign requires you to trade. And when you trade, you are going to secure the chance to share a portion of of the pool that we have in that particular campaign. It's called trading competition. It's July trading competition for MaskEX. Okay, so this particular one, only thing you have to do is deposit $50 in your account, leave it for 7 days. After that, there is also another opportunity for you to earn in this particular campaign. Now after 7 days and your $50 or more is still on your account, then if you use it to trade, if you didn't withdraw it, then it can still count. If you use it to fund your Visa card, it still counts for you. But then after that 7 days, you are going to be rewarded with 20 extra USDT coupon. So if you trade that 20 USDT coupon on MaskEX and then you print out one thing we call PNL, there is something we call PNL. So when you print out PNL, you post it on your Twitter handle and tag MaskEX and 3 of your friends. When you do this, MaskEX is going to reward you again with extra $50. So this is what we call PNL. This thing you are seeing right here is called PNL. This is PNL photo, the snapshot, PNL snapshot. So anytime you got this particular PNL snapshot, you using that trading coupon that you were rewarded with, and you go on your Twitter handle, you post it, you tweet about MaskEX. This is my PNL from MaskEX. You tag MaskEX and tag 3 of your friends. You will have the chance and the opportunity to share another 100 USDT. It says trade your received coupon, share the screenshot of your trade PNL on your Twitter handle, tag MaskEX Global plus 3 friends, and stand a chance to win an extra 100 trading coupon at the end of the campaign. The winner of this category will be selected randomly. So stand a chance to win the $100 is all for you if you participate. The next is one we call it the trading competition, the MaskEX July trading competition, and this one is also important for every one of you who are traders. If you are a trader and you're looking for a place whereby you can trade and you earn, then this particular campaign is for you. All you have to do here is just trade. All you have to do here is just what? Trade. And any trade after registering in this particular campaign, any trade you open on your MaskEX account, for example, I have a trade running on my MaskEX wallet, and if after any trade that I took from now, I earn a reward from it. What you can see here is that, you can see I'm running a trade right now. There is a particular trade that I'm into. You can see this trade right here. So this is a trade that I'm currently running on MaskEX, and as I'm trading this right now, I have the opportunity to earn a trading coupon. Okay, to earn. So what I have to do as a trader is just register on MaskEX, trade like this, and every volume that I accumulate will be calculated for this campaign. You understand? Even if I trade today, I trade tomorrow, all my trade will be calculated, and if I come up as the first person who qualifies to be in the leaderboard of this particular campaign, I am going to share the price of this particular money you are seeing here, which is 500 USDT. So everybody has the opportunity to earn. Every single person has the opportunity to earn. If you are here, you have the opportunity to earn. The only thing you can do is just register on MaskEX. Number one, come up. I'm going to leave all the link of this campaign in the description of this video. Come up here and register. Now this campaign, once you come, the link I'm going to leave, you can also read below. You can see the eligibility of this particular one is also says that you must verify your account to level 2. Now this particular campaign has what we call dynamic reward pool. The number of eligible participants determines the amount of prize pool to be shared. Now the 50, if we have 50 participants, then amount to be that are going to be shared is 500. If we have 50 to 999, then 1000 is going to be shared. If we have 100 to 119, then 2000 is going to be shared. If we have 200 to 300, then 3000. The same way it goes. Now first rank, the person that come up as the first the person that come up in this campaign as first rank is going to earn 30% of the total prize pool, the end prize pool. The same thing goes to the second person and the 30% of the total prize pool. The same thing goes to the third person and 10% of the total prize pool. So that is it for trading competition. We still have more. The next campaign is called we call this particular one Nigeria P2P merchant recruitment. So if you are in Nigeria and you are watching this particular video, this thing is for you. Don't dull yourself. This particular one is for you. All you have to do is come here, register on MaskEX, fill up this particular form, apply to become a merchant on MaskEX, and when you apply to become a merchant on MaskEX, you have the chance. Any particular trade you open and you saw client that traded with you, you have the opportunity to earn a reward. So don't dull yourself. All you have to do, this particular one is like it is sold out already, but then you still have the opportunity to participate. So how you can participate in it is just for you to come and use MaskEX P2P to trade. Anytime you trade on MaskEX P2P, you have the opportunity to earn. In this particular one, MaskEX is going to reward 5 people $10 each. The highest trader is going to earn. So don't waste this opportunity. Get down on this, register today and start participating. So if you are wondering what is MaskEX, can I see their website, can I see what they are up to, give me a second, let me show you what MaskEX is all about. So this is MaskEX, guys. This is MaskEX platform, one of the best platform right there. So you can see everything here. MaskEX is cool. MaskEX is cool. So don't waste more time. Start participating. There are many coins listed on MaskEX, and then I promise you that if you start trading today, you are going to also enjoy numerous and beautiful rewards. So guys, thank you for watching. I remain your boy Bukas, and see you guys in the next one.